Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the Mach V Motorsports FastWRX.com Accessport vent mount for the VA chassis WRX and STI. This is two pieces held together with a couple of nice button head screws. These are injection molded using the same exact plastic that Subaru uses for their vent. So you know it's not going to warp from heat, it's not going to sag, it's going to retain its form the entire life of your car, unlike some of those crappy 3D printed vent mounts. Installation is pretty straightforward, should take you maybe an hour. You'll need a nice little plastic pry tool, Phillips head screwdriver, and a 2.5mm Allen driver. All right, first step, we're going to try to pry this forward just a little bit, and we're going to get our tool just underneath the leading edge here to pop the vent out. All right, second step, we're going to take our handy dandy pry tool and we're going to go in right here to this panel. We're just going to pop it loose, just a couple of little fasteners that just hold it in, and it's just going to come right out. We'll set that aside, and we have one Phillips screw to remove. Now, gently pry this panel, like so. Now that that's out of the way, we can feed our Accessport OBD2 cable right up through here, somewhere, and into the top. So once you've pulled your cable through, you can reattach your panels here, put everything on the side and the bottom back together. And we've got our cable, we're going to feed it through here. This piece installs from the top. It doesn't just drop in, you're going to have to twist it, manipulate it in, pop it into the vent, and there we are. Same goes for the top piece. We're going to put our cable through, set that down, and we'll fasten it together with our button head screws. All right, so there we have it. Mach V Motorsports, aka FastWRX.com, Cobb Accessport vent mount for the VA chassis WRX and STI. Installs clean, Accessport's nice and solid, it holds it nice and tight. This is a high quality product from a great company, highly recommended.